Welcome to Lonely Planetarian after a long time. I'm back with a list of mouth-watering foods. Yes, as the title says, we will be talking about 10 most popular Mexican foods. While making this video, it was really difficult to find only 10 dishes from the wide panorama of Mexican food culture. Mexican food is more than just tacos and salsas. They have some of the most colorful, spicy and flavorful dishes. Since ancient times, the most important foods in Mexican diets have been corn, beans, tomatillos, and chili peppers. Later, with European contact, Mexican dishes were influenced by the Spaniards, and that has created a profound change in their diet. In modern days, people worldwide can taste Mexican foods in their own cities. If you are a food lover, you already know of tacos, burritos. Yes, they are the most popular Mexican foods. But as I mentioned earlier, Mexican food is more than just tacos and burritos. If you ever visit Mexico or have a chance to experience Mexican foods, try to explore different items. You will love it. Number 10 on our list is tamales. This is a traditional and popular food item you will even find in a street food stands. Tamales are steamed corn dough with filling inside. Fillings can be meat, cheese, fruits, vegetables, chilies, etc. Tamales are wrapped in corn husks or plantain leaves before being steamed. You will also find sweet options. For the best experience, try them when it's hot. Number 9 is birria. Birria is a traditional Mexican goat dish. This classic dish is from the Mexican state of Jalisco. Birria is an ancestral soup or stew made of goat meat, traditionally served during special events like weddings or during holidays such as Easter or Christmas. Sometimes, birria can also be made of beef or lamb. When cooked right, tough cuts of meats are turned into a tender and juicy Mexican stew, topped with cilantro, lime and onion. Number 8 is carnitas. Carnitas, literally meaning little meats, is a dish of Mexican cuisine that originated in the state of Michoacan. Carnitas are made by braising or simmering pork in oil or preferably in lard until tender. The process takes 3 to 4 hours and the result is very tender and juicy meat, which is then typically served with chopped cilantro, diced onion, salsa, guacamole, tortillas and frijoles. Number 7 is enchiladas. It would be a crime to visit Mexico and not try their famous enchiladas. This is another type of food that has become global over time. Enchiladas have been in existence since the Mayan times. At that time, Mexicans would eat them wrapped around small fish. Today, most people use either corn or flour to make these, and the filling can be meat, cheese, beans, vegetables, seafoods, or a combination of them. The stuffed tortillas are covered in chili sauce, making for a perfect Mexican breakfast. Enchiladas are also served as side dishes in parties and family gatherings. Number 6 is pozole. Pozole dates back many years ago. This pre-Hispanic soup is said to have been used for sacrificial rituals. However, today it is one of the best Mexican soups that's slowly becoming popular in other parts of the world. The soup is made from hominy corn with a combination of herbs and spices. To achieve the best results, the soup is prepared for hours, sometimes even overnight. When the soup is ready, onions, radishes, lime and chilies are sprinkled on top to add flavor. You won't find pozole in street vending shops. It's mostly served in high-end restaurants in Mexico. However, it's also possible to find the soup in less popular and smaller restaurants in the city. Number 5 is quesadillas. Quesadillas are among the foods that have gone global. queso is the Spanish word for cheese. Therefore, when translated, quesadilla means cheese tortilla. The best thing about this food is that it comes together rather quickly. The basic quesadilla recipe includes cheese, a variety of vegetables, and a protein source. It can be either steak or chicken. Quesadillas have a bad reputation for being unhealthy since in most cases they are overflowing with cheese and sour cream. But don't let this deter you from trying this amazing food. There are vegetarian friendly and healthier quesadillas too. Number 4 is burrito. This is very popular in the northern side of Mexico, especially in the states bordering the United States. A burrito is a cylindrically rolled flour tortilla stuffed with different ingredients of choice. The filling are prepared in various ways and cut so they will all fit nicely into the tortilla. The tortilla is then folded so that the content of the burrito are completely encased. A traditional Mexican burrito might contain some combination of meat, rice, beans, and chili peppers. The most popular are the fried bean burrito with cheese and the machaca burrito. Number 3 is churros. Churros is a Mexican sweet that's found in both high-end restaurants and sold on street corners throughout Mexico. It's not only delicious but also very easy and quick to make. Compared to other Mexican dishes, churros are really simple. This famous pastry snack is usually eaten for breakfast with different sweet dipping sauces. Churros are crispy from the outside and soft and tender from the inside. This dish is best served fresh and hot. Sugar is sprinkled on the churros to lend the dish increased sweetness. Number 2 is chilaquiles. Another Mexican favorite you don't want to leave the country without trying is chilaquiles. This food is perfect for breakfast. In Mexico, fried tortilla chips are accompanied by salsa roja, red salsa, or salsa verde, green salsa, onion, cream, and cheese. You also have the option of adding chicken or eggs as your protein source. The best thing about chilaquiles in Mexico is that you can get them everywhere. They are served in high-end restaurants and street stands at a more affordable price. There's therefore no excuse for not trying this finger-licking food. Number 1 is tacos. This wouldn't be a best Mexican food list without tacos. Tacos have also become global food and it's not hard to see why. This food drips with deliciousness and most people can agree that the moment you have your first taco, you never look back. However, it depends on where you get your tacos. If your first experience in tacos was in the West, you will probably not appreciate this food as much. Western countries tend to make their taco shells a bit crispy. It's not the same in Mexico. The tortilla circles are soft and are made from fresh corn that's mixed with limestone. The filling are also to die for. Therefore, if you are planning to visit Mexico, make sure you get a taste of the Mexican recipe. You will always remember it. That's all for this video. Let us know your favorite food in the comment section below. We will be back soon with another video. Please subscribe to this channel for more content. See you soon. Ciao ciao.